All right, good morning. Today is um, 4th of May already. It's Monday, 9 a.m. my local time. I'll briefly go through my current trades and then I'll do analysis for myself, checking in what's up, what's going on. First of all, I did some nice compound trades longs on Bitcoin. It was one, two, three compound. I tried fourth one here. I thought this was a. I'll get there, but basically this was a nice push through, and I managed to compound it nicely. I took some off the market here and right here. My alarm went off. I actually wanted to take it here, but I didn't. I scaled out here and right here as well. That's quite nice. My next profit target is maybe daily naked point of control, and ultimately I wanna take majority of my long right here at 82.400. I'll explain why. So this were they're all in still ongoing. This was a stop out trade. So what I thought here was that we broke out. We indeed had an SFP here. We came down nicely, and I did long the value area high retest, right? But we ultimately swept deeper, reclaimed it, back tested it, and pushed to new highs now. So it's looking good in my opinion. Now I'll take this off. Let's start with daily. I'll take this one off as well, as we are outside of the value range. That's not gonna be relevant anymore. So let's see. Mm, I do have a daily level here forming potentially. That's also our weekly open. Okay, let's actually start with higher time frame. Uh, okay, we are through the level here, through this one also. And next major resistance is around the golden zone right here. That's why I want to be out of my longs, majority of them right here. Uh, yeah, nothing much there. This is also a weekly open here. Oops. I'll put that there. So monthly is moving towards the resistance here, which is also the 3 month. So basically quarterly resistance. That another reason why I want to be out here. Quarterly has not closed yet. So this is the order block I'm tracking on the quarterly. Basically this guy. And since we broke down, this is bearish retest. I might not sound sexy. Oops. It might not sound sexy, but what the fuck? But I do think. Shit. Okay, but I do think that this is still a bearish retest, and from here I'd expect a maybe test of this level. Alright, this could be a long-term low in my opinion for Bitcoin. Before we come down, I do still think that we're gonna test 13k right here. All right, that's my primary idea. But I do think that for a couple years, all right, we'll just do something like this maybe, and then slowly come down to my target originally right here. But yeah, we'll see. So this is the higher time frame. I want to mark out the weekly open as well as daily level. It's weekly. Okay, let's put them into high time frame levels. All right, so this is weekly. We're coming up towards the resistance zone, so Wonka, be aware that this is gonna be a. We also have the breakdown pivot here, which we literally tested it, got rejection, slight rejection from it, but I ultimately want to see test of this level right here. The single prints also got filled. I'm not taking it off just yet. But yeah, this is the resistance you wanna watch for 1K, and the major one at 82.500. All right. That's the golden zone and other confluences that are present. So what do we have now here? We do have a potential weekly level forming. Let me do something. We'll take this guy and put it this way, I guess. No, okay, fuck it. Alright, so actually this week happened on Bybit Inverse. We don't have that on other major exchanges. Yeah, something happened here. I'm not sure what, but okay. So we marked out the daily here. What about the 12-hour? Do we have anything to trade off of? This is the market structure break, most likely. This is the order block now. We can take this off. Alright. Like this. Alright. As long as Bitcoin remains here or above this zone, I will consider this bullish. But if we fail here, break down from this order block, break the market structure over here, I consider any backtest a sell opportunity. Alright, that would be it. For shorts, I'm interested. Alright, let's actually clean this up. I don't need this, I don't need this. We do have, so this has not been tagged yet. We do have a, so I'm interested in shorts only at this level. AOI. Or if we start losing right here, right, it's gonna be hard to short here with a stop above here, because boom boom like this, right? So what I'm thinking right now is if we come down here, make a bullish I don't know, structure right here, I will consider taking a long the moment we flip this. Alright, so the idea going forward would be, if we trade inside here, we make some sort of bullish displacement, reclaim the level, I will consider taking long with targets at range high, which is also weekly, daily naked point of control, and potentially this area of interest. Another variation could be that if we start breaking down right here, right inside this zone, taking out all those liquidities. By the way, this all gonna get swept at some point, alright? We don't know, I don't know when, but this, the way it's engineered right now, it looks like that it's gonna get swept. A lot of liquidity left below these stops, alright? I even have my stops below this. So this would be another sell opportunity right here if we break down from the order block and H12 confirms that. Other than that, we can consolidate here above the single print, and only after I push towards the resistance I'm watching it. Alright, this might take time. That would be it for Bitcoin in my opinion. Let's see what's up on the order flow. I need to load the software, one sec. That's some fuckery going on here, man. Just ridiculous. 32 million longs stopped out, and they stopped out here. Something weird. Holy shit. No, but this has not been tested yet. I'm seeing this test because only on Bybit Inverse, alright? Alright, let's see. Let me check 5 minutes, because I want to see what happened here. What the fuck? 30 fucking million. Wow. Someone did something stupid, man. Look, 33 million. This is that's insane. It's either I don't even understand what's happening here. 1 mil. What's this? 2 mil. That's insane, man. So many liquidations here. 1 mil, 1 mil. 2 million, 1 million. Holy fuck, man. There's a lot of fuckery going on here, alright? A lot of shorts at it here. And then we have 30 motherfucking million long opening. What the fuck? Some shorts again. This is messed up. I don't even fucking know what's going on here. Yeah, I have no fucking idea. Because of this distortion, order flow right now to me is not helpful. To be frank. That's insane amount of longs added right here. That's just insane. Phew. This is such a massive fuel for shorts are literally right here. This is insane amount, and look at it. Bears actually are absorbing it quite nicely. Once the price comes back down in a downtrend again, this 30 million long, oh my god, it's gonna add so much fuel to the shorts. It's gonna be biblical. Alright. Let's see VWAPs and all that good jazz. Literally held the price at yearly VWAP, previous quarter VWAP, previous weekly value low. Damn. Per quarterly value areas, our resistance is 86k, alright? Per yearly, that's also 86k. Just the moment we start losing yearly VWAP and previous quarter VWAP, lights out, in my opinion. Do we have a gap? We almost filled the... Oh, we almost filled the gap here. It's gonna be interesting. That's going to be very, very interesting. Alright, I guess that's my plan for the day. I'm not sure if I want to be trading. I don't see any meaningful trades. Maybe sweep this low, but I don't know. I would not bet a house on this trade, so I don't know if I'm gonna take it. Maybe I'll just chill and do nothing. But this is area of interest for sure. For longs, I don't even know, man. I don't see anything good for longs, at least for now. Hmm. 83,621, 83. Yeah, they're similar. I don't see anything meaningful, alright, for longs. Maybe we'll do this. Anyways, if we arrange for this week right here, yeah, and we sweep the low into the retest, reclaim it, I might consider longing here, but Other than that, I'm not interested, and there is no data right now to say what I'm interested in. Okay. We don't need this value area value area anymore. This is also iffy. I don't know. Anyways, that's it for the. Not much to say. Not much has happened. I guess that's why. The only short I'm interested in is at. Or maybe if we. I don't even know. I need to see, but this is the area. This is the area for sure that I'm interested in shorting. Right here. Where's the box? Right here. But other than that, I don't know. We'll have to see a price development range. Sweep the high, come down. I'll short right here, okay? Or if we break down, reclaim it, I'll long here. But if we break down here, come back up here, I'll short this one as well. So that would be it for the Bitcoin update. See ya next time.